Today we multiply with the 9. For that we make our hands in front of us, and number 1 is this finger from the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we always multiply with 9. So 1 times 9, you only take the finger from 1 away, and there stays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 times 9 is 9. Now 2 times 9. So you only take the finger from 2 away, and there's on the left side there stays 1 finger, it's 1, and the other side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 18. 3 times 9, only take the finger from the 3, and then 2 on the other on the left side and 7 on the other side, it's 27. 4 times 9 is 3, and 6 is 36. 5 times 9, 45. 6 times 9, it is 54. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 10 times 9 is 90. Okay, see you next time.